Hey kids, welcome to our amazing science lab. Today we're going to explore the wonders of science with our curious friends, Max, Lily, and Sam. Get ready to see some cool experiments, learn fascinating facts, and have a blast discovering how the world works. Max is a bright boy with a passion for chemistry and a knack for making things fizz and bubble. Watch as he shows us how to create a mini volcano eruption using baking soda and vinegar. It's simple but absolutely spectacular. Max carefully places a small volcano model on the table, pours in the baking soda, and then adds the vinegar. Suddenly, the lava starts to flow, and everyone is amazed. Lily, the physics wizard, is next. She has a natural curiosity about how things move and work. Today, she's diving into the mysterious world of magnets. Did you know that magnets have two poles? Lily demonstrates by showing how the north pole of one magnet attracts the south pole of another, while the same poles repel each other. She even uses a bunch of paper clips to create a magnetic chain, fascinating her friends with the invisible forces at play. Lastly, Sam, our color-loving biologist, is here to share a dazzling experiment about liquids. Sam shows us how oil and water don't mix, and it's all because of something called density.